What's up, guys? I have these things. I have an iPod Touch 4, an iPad, and I have another device, which is an iPhone 5, iOS 11. And the last one is iPad. We check on every default iOS ringtone. So let's start off iOS 6. And here's opening. Here's the unlimited version. And here's the latest one. It's nearly done. Last but not least, lock sounds.
Wow.
Thanks for watching.